Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error related to npm install command. I was installing npm packages using the command npm install. npm install. Unfortunately, I got the error. I will show you the error. Fix the upstream dependency conflict or retry to accept an incorrect and a potentially broken dependency resolution. So I tried with npm install -force. When I executed this command, at that time I got another error. I will show you the error message. npm error cannot read properties of null reading children. This is the error which I got when I tried to execute the command using npm install -force. So two attempts. First npm install I got the dependency broken error. Then I tried with the npm install -force. Then I got the error null error. Cannot read properties of null reading children. Okay. So in this video I am going to explain how I fixed this error. So what I did is I execute the command in this way: npm install -legacy-peer-deps. When I execute the command in this way, npm install space -legacy-peer-deps, I installed npm packages specified in package.json file successfully. I'll show you it. Check here. npm install, I stands for install. You can specify npm install or npm I stands for install -legacy-peer-deps. So use this command if you get the errors which I mentioned already in this video. Thank you.